Air conditioning has come a long way since the loud and expensive to run systems that we all grew up with. They've become more powerful, more economic to run, more intelligent, quieter and more affordable than ever before. So today we're showcasing Ambience Air, Perth's multi-award winning residential and light commercial air conditioning specialists. Ambience Air have been making WA homes and offices comfortable since 2003 and have won a staggering amount of awards, including multiple Dealer of the Year and Specialist Dealer Awards. The team includes some of the most experienced people in the industry who are the experts at heating and cooling residential single and double-storey homes and apartments. They even have a dedicated construction department that works closely with builders on larger projects, from design and construction right through to completion. Every system and every application is different, so getting an expert to help you choose the right product and installing it precisely is key. The team at Ambience Air can help you choose the perfect system that will work for your lifestyle or business needs. With 6 huge showrooms right across Greater Perth, Ambience Air are one of WA's largest suppliers of reliable air conditioning brands like Fujitsu, Panasonic and Samsung reverse cycle products, as well as Breeze Air, Braemar and Cool Air evaporative cooling systems. Ambience Air also offer the highest quality Advantage air components and smart control systems. With a huge range of heating products like Braemar ducted gas heating, wood heaters and gas log fires, they really are a one-stop shop. So if you're looking for a whole new level of comfort and convenience, get in touch with WA's experts in heating and cooling and head to ambienceair.com.